Okay, today is Thursday, and we are having our math test today. No class tomorrow, right? Because it's a holiday again. Honduras loves holidays. So here we go. We're going to need page 293, page 294. So let's start at the top of page 294. Are you ready? Okay, A is 13 minus 8. B, 8 plus 8. C, 3 plus 8. D, 15 minus 8. E, 12 minus 8. And F, 6 plus 8. Down to our picture, we have Mama Robin. Mama Robin laid 4 eggs. Robin's eggs are the blue ones there. Aren't they pretty? Robin's eggs are very pretty. They're not quite that dark blue, but they're a nice blue, okay? So Mama Robin laid 4 pretty blue eggs. Mrs. Sparrow laid 5 eggs. And Mrs. Dove laid 2 eggs. Okay, now what do you need to do? What I want you to do is, okay, here's the question. You listen to the question. How many eggs did Mrs. Robin and Mrs. Sparrow lay? Okay, so look, here we go. Here's what you need to do. It says Mrs. Robin laid 4 eggs. See what I did there? Mrs. Robin laid 4 eggs. Mrs. Sparrow laid 5 eggs. See that? Sparrow laid 5 eggs. And Mrs. Dove laid 2 eggs. Mrs. Dove laid 2 eggs. Okay, that's the information that they give you. You ready? Now, here's the question. The question is, how many eggs did Mrs. Robin lay and Mrs. Sparrow? Mrs. Robin and Mrs. Sparrow together. Okay, now, they gave you some extra information, didn't they? Here's what I want you to do. I want you to take your pencil and circle the parts that they ask for. What part to look up here? Look up here for the part they asked you about, okay? Okay, you listening again? Look for the part that they're asking the question and circle that part, okay? They gave us 3 pieces of information. Mrs. Robin laid 4. Mrs. Sparrow laid 5. And Mrs. Dove laid 2. Now, which one of that, the question again, ready? Listen for our question. How many eggs did Mrs. Robin and Sparrow lay? Okay, circle that information. Take your pencil and circle the ones you're going to need. Now, there's some information you don't need, right? Okay, now, so it says right here, it says mark under the fact that we did not need. Now, you circled 2 of these because the things that they asked you for, but somebody is extra there. What is the extra information that you don't need? Okay, is it Mrs. Robin laid 4 eggs? Is it Mrs. Sparrow laid 5 eggs? Or Mrs. Dove laid 2 eggs? Which one of those didn't you need? Okay, color that in. Okay, so now, from the parts that you circled, I didn't mark it on here because I don't want to show you. The parts that you circled, the ones that you need, the information you need, look down here. Look down here, okay? And see which one of these has the number sentence that you are looking for. Which one of these has the number sentence that you need? Okay? See if you can do that. Okay, now, down here, oh, how smart are you? Okay, let's see, how smart are you today? They give you numbers and a box. You can put any number you want in there as long as it makes a sentence that is true. So you see this number here, 32, and you see this arrow. Now you can put any number in there you want, but make sure that it makes sense with the sign that's put in there. Because if you put a number in there and you say, okay, make sure your number, after you put your numbers in there, read it to make sure, is that true or is that not true? Okay? Any number in there you like, but make sure it's right. Don't put a number in there that's wrong, okay? So if it says, I want a number that's bigger than 6. 6, our number is 6. And, okay? And, oops, I want a number that is bigger than 6, right? What number do I put in there? I can put 25, 392, I can put a million, whatever, as long as it's bigger. Or, does this say it's smaller than 6? Is that the sign for smaller or bigger? If this says this is smaller, what's the number that's smaller than 6? 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm not going to tell you, because I need to see how smart you are. See if you remember your arrows, okay? Easy stuff. Okay, other side of your paper. Other side is easy, easy, easy. You ready? Analog clock, digital clock. Draw lines to the right time. Down here, okay, pay attention. Eyes on, ears on. Okay, this says draw a line that is 4 inches. Remember, that's the inch mark. Inch, 4 inches. What is this? 8 centimeters. Make sure you use the right side of your ruler, right? And then this part down here, okay? Let's see how well you do. Turn your eyes on. Turn your brain on, right? Okay, have fun. See you later.